Hey guys, today I'm going to go over how to calculate for transfer properties using VASPKIT. So you run a regular relaxation and then a self-consistent field. In this case, I did a band structure calculation. And then you want to generate your K points for the transport properties. VASPKIT offers option 68 transport properties, and then we're interested in the K points file for transport calculations, right? So you do that one first. Then you do the accuracy level 0.01. And if you want to look at the K points, it's just like this. Excuse that. Anyways, you won't see it with these. This is an error just because I have, it's a glitch, right? So once you get the K points, you prepare the input file, and that will look like something like this. It's all pretty standard, right? We're dealing with a unit cell. It's going to be a bulk. Everything is pretty much explained pretty well off, and these are the standard conditions, or standard parameters, I should say. And then you just run 682, and relaxation time is set there. It reads it all from the input file, and then it writes all of the files in accordance to the Boltzmann transport properties. So it does a calculation, and then it writes out all your files as needed. And again, this was found from this website here. Again, it was translated to English from Chinese, I think, whatever it may have been. And that's pretty much it. And then you could plot and look at all of your files accordingly. So even this is pretty simple to read. Yeah, it gives you energy and then charge carriers in their respective units. So it's all very good. Yeah, so if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave some comments down below or reach out to me on email. A handful of you guys have reached out to me, which is good. I like hearing from my audience and seeing where I could do better. So again, see you next time.